And how about your pillow? Because if it's more than a couple of years old, you are probably sleeping with millions of these tiny creatures in your bed. Now, they're microscopic, but they feed off your skin cells, and they could be making you sick.
You could be among many people in the UK who seem to be allergic to their own homes.
And in tonight's Extra, Tammy Fields explains why there's a higher concentration of them.
You probably know your pillows and bed sheets have dust mites on them, but are you aware you're sleeping on a miniature ecosystem?
It begins with fever, chills, and muscle aches. Then confusion as rapidly your breathing becomes difficult.
There's been a sharp increase in the number of people with Middle East respiratory syndrome.
Asthma and sinus allergens love the night. Hidden in your pillow, they emerge to irritate and infect you, attacking airways, aggravating your throat, and blocking sinuses. Or just leaving you tired and off form each morning. But now there's a new clinically proven solution that blocks dust mites, allergens, and bacteria and prevents them from contaminating your system. Sleep Angel with Numa Pure filter technology. Sleep where the air is pure.
Where you have pillows that have barriers, they don't accumulate allergen, they don't accumulate microorganisms. As such, they don't become a source of air pollution. They don't become potentially a risk factor for the individual who is lying on them or sleeping on them. Would we recommend this type of pillow? Very definitely.